Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard not working in your PC or in your laptop. So if your keyboard has an issue or broken, or one of the button or one of the key is not function, you can use on-screen keyboard on Windows system. As you can see, I'm using the Windows 10. You can search here, type here to search on-screen keyboard. So this is the on-screen keyboard. So this is like a hardware, like the real keyboard, but this is the software one. And you can click the option, like you can uncheck use click sound, check or uncheck show keys to make it easier to move around the screen, and turn on or numeric keypad here. And also you can adjust the hover over keys, scan through keys, and even you can use text prediction. So do not worry, before you buy a new one, you can use this virtual or you can use this software on-screen keyboard by Windows. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.